Hi, my name is Sam, and today we're going to go over label fields and how to use dedicated color maps. So to start out, let's open some data. So we're going to go to Open Data, and we're going to go down to Tutorials, and we're going to go to Multicomp, and we're going to open Cell Bodies and Cell Bodies Labels Regions. Alright, we're going to click Open, and there we go. So we're first just going to delete the ortho slice and replace it with a volume rendering. So this data set has two separate parts. Cell bodies, which is just the 3D model of many different individual cells. And then cell bodies labeled regions, which is the labeled data, with each cell taking on a different label. So to visualize that, we're going to use a voxelized rendering. So why are we using a voxelized rendering instead of a volume rendering to visualize this labeled data? Is because a voxelized rendering will actually render each voxel as a cube of a certain color, which makes it ideal for visualizing label fields. Next, let's just turn off the original volume rendering for simplicity. One thing to note is Avizo automatically applied this 8-bit color map for the label field. So while each cell has a different label, Avizo renders those cells as one of 8 different colors. So this introduces some problems if you have two overlapping cells that are rendered as the same color, but are in fact separate cells. One way to minimize how often this happens is to, instead of using just an 8-bit color map with 8 separate colors, we can instead use a 256-bit color map with 256 colors. So this means if there are only 200 cells in cell bodies.labeled regions, then each of those cells will be rendered as a separate color with a 256-bit color map. So to change the color map, and to change it to any other color map too, what you do is you go down to Voxelized Rendering, you go to the Color Map tab, and click on Edit, and then you can choose a different color map. In this example, we're going to choose labels256.am, just like that. Now, as you can see, every cell is a different color. Awesome, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.